Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable autocorrect in Windows 10. So firstly click on Start, then Settings. In here click on Devices. Now click on Typing. Now here you will see option Typing Spelling. Autocorrect misspelled words. So turn on here. Highlight misspelled words. So again slide to on like this. Scroll down and here you will see autocorrect misspelled words I type. So turn on. So like this guys, you can enable autocorrect in Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful for you or not.